Ka le bitso ke a rona wa Mokgethe ke mme ara wa Lephalale re mo o tlo fa ba isa ba isho ba o tswa kwa Limpopo support ya campaign e ba le mo yona jwale ka masepala wa Lephalale e kwa re le mototo e kwa re felletse ka se ba se this campaign I sa thola ile ya Limpopo ke campaign ya country ka moka re bone banna le basadi ba tswile ba file bana ba rena le rato ile ba kgone ba tlhokomela tseleng tsa bona that is why re nna re kgone go fitha mo jwale ka masepala le Lephalale re ilo ba thusa re ilo ba fa support dibeke tse di bona re di sere re ba reketse di-kit ka mokana tsona tsa cycling di gona ka mogare ka mo go ya ka di-size tsa bona re ba tse dintsi ka o tshwana le gore re ilo bereka jwang ya pele we are in talks with Exxaro. Immediately after this, we'll continue with the engagement with our strategic partners. Some of them, they might be accommodated in the academy as we move forward. So that will be after we shall have concluded our engagement with them. But we are in talks with them just to be precise. And then we want to acknowledge the support that we got from the accommodation company that is received. We really appreciate what you did. We are here to support you. As we move forward, we want to see all of you completing your journey. The main message here goes to the young people to say we must stay away from alcohol and drug abuse. Be able to be responsible or be responsible. This is the team we're moving forward, Gauta. We're moving forward, Queen. We're moving forward, the GOAT, Maxwell, so that and with the support that you got from all stakeholders that are present here and those that have pledged, we really want to say we really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. I appreciate the Tobafetu. Asiji.
Hi guys, what's up? Bafetu. This is a brother of mine who always books me in Limpopo, Kromestar. So Umfuni that he wants to join and come and support the boys. South Africa Chigelel. They need this so that they can improve. And as a president, yes, Kukun, they were near the phone follow us because this will take him serious. South Africa, let's support wherever you are. Young Orleans chances one yana, little fucking diata. Arba Tushe is not easy from Johannesburg to Cape Town, but it's too much. Are contributing Remonova to Saura, which is the Lokamuka. Musumtan. And guys, always South Africa go Pele. So now we go Pele. We're gonna push over 34 to 3 so that they can. I was saying to Villanova fan.
Welcome back to Chef Result TV News, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Before to say someone ama updates mayelana nama cyclists abafowethu laba aba travelayo lapha ke. These guys are from Bakersford Mabesh endaweni ke lapha ke noma ke kwi province yase Limpopo. So their goal kahle kahle ke is to raise ama funds, because I'm sure abantu abaningi bebeloku beyibuza ukuthi hawu labafana bavele nje basuka ukuthi ke be travel to Cape Town ngama bicycle nani cha, i goal yabo kahle kahle is to raise ama funds and secure sponsorship for their bike club while helping abantu ke abasebasha noma abasebancane the young men in their community engaged in cycling yabo and away from drugs and gangsterism. Their daily target is 150 kilometers per day and aiming to reach their destination before umhlaka 14 of April 2025. Their journey began umhlaka 2 April and they recently passed iMangaung in the Free State. So if there is anything mhlambe ke abantu abafuna ukuyifunda from labafana ukuya nje lapha ya page lika DJ Curry even ngisho nama updates uzoila khona ke uzokwazi ukuthi ke uthole khona ama updates, but then ukwazi kahle hle nokuthi ke usuka kuphi yena nabo you will find out nje la kuyile kungana kuyona ke ama post noma kwi profile yakhe u DJ Curry. So la there are more sponsors uma esho lapha ke aloke eqhamuka nje ngapha nangapha. So currently kuye kwakhona ke I check phuma lapha ke kubona ke abakwa Standard Bank and also futhi ke kuthiwa ke lapha ya My Soul Foundation lapha ke uye wabanikeza outfits njengoba nibona outfits leyana ke Adidas and at this moment kuseleke 386 kilometers to go to Cape Town. So ngamanye amazwi fethu ke sekuseduze phambili kunasemuva ke indlela ke kade ke sebeyiqalile le. So siyabongela kakhulu abafana kanti ke bengafika ke bephephile futhi ke befike lapha ke ku right yonke into. So injalo ke indaba bafethu baloke bephushe njalo and ke kuhle ukubona ke neningizimu Africa isiqalile ke kahle kahle ke nje iba supporter ngendlela ke eyisimanga. So niyabona nama video aloke evezwa kuphi nakuphi, but then ke bafethu you can tell us what you think ngalabafana and baningi abantu abagcine bejoyina ngapha ngibone nabanye ama stakeholders afana ke namaphoyisa umgwaqo abantu ke abantu ahlukahlukene osoma business they also joined ukuthi ke be support abafana. Singakhohlwa u Red Bull, singakhohlwa ke futhi ke amanye ama companies afana nabo ke KFC njalo njalo. So nje ngibala ke ambalwa but baningi abaye bavela ukuthi ke bekwazi ukusupporta ke abafana bakithi. Anyways bafethu, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thank you.
Also maybe remove the bandage and maybe try to tie that. What is it? Carabo, I mean the goat.